Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Today I have a very interesting story for you. Have you ever wondered, what language would a baby speak if no one talked to them? A long time ago, a king wanted to find out. So he did a very strange experiment. But what happened in the end? The results were shocking. Stay with me to find out. If you are learning English, this video will help you because I will use simple words and speak slowly. Let's begin. The secret experiment. What language do babies speak? This story comes from history. A long time ago there was a king. Some say he was from Egypt and some say he was from Europe. But all stories say the same thing. He wanted to know the first language of humans. He believed that if babies never heard a language, they would start speaking the natural language of humans. So he gave an order: take some newborn babies. Keep them in a quiet place. No one should speak to them. The babies would get food and care, but no one would talk to them. The king thought, maybe they will speak Egyptian, maybe Greek, maybe Hebrew, or maybe some secret language from the beginning of time. But something very sad happened. The babies did not grow up to speak a special language. Instead, something terrible happened. Even though the babies had food and water, they all died. Why? Because humans need more than just food. We need love, care, and communication. A baby needs to hear voices, see smiles, and feel touch. Without these things, the babies could not survive. The king was shocked. He did not find the answer he wanted. Instead, he learned something important. Language is not just about words. It is about connection. This experiment is very old, but it teaches us something important even today. First, humans need love and communication. Without them, we feel lonely and sad. Second, language is not something we are born with. We learn it from the people around us. Third, talking to babies is very important. Even before they can speak, they listen and learn from their parents. So, if you are learning English, remember: keep listening, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That is how we learn. Thank you for watching this video. Did you find this story interesting? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more simple English videos, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.